And a little bit of movie history for you, a little bit of trivia. Back in the day, some 15 years ago, there was another matchup. Back then, it was The Dark Knight versus Mamma Mia. That was more like a competition. And at the end of the day, both films ended up doing well, competing against each other in some ways. Worldwide, The Dark Knight ended up making $1 billion. Mamma Mia, I think, made more than $600 million. Again, this time around, not so much a competition. Back then, they both benefited from repeat viewing and international viewers getting into the seats as well. This go around, it's going to require both the international audiences weighing in and going out to see both of these films and repeat viewing as well. But it's very clear so far, both of these films up to a pretty good start. Back to you.
And Jason, with folks that you've been speaking to out there, is there a preference? I imagine that a lot of folks are eager to see both of these films, so perhaps